If you've been watching us these last few weeks, you've seen just how important water safety is this time of year. As News 12 Connecticut's Greg Thompson tells us, today in Wilton, local organizations were making sure that one of the most vulnerable groups got the message.
According to the National Autism Association, children on the spectrum are 160 times more likely to drown, making it their leading cause of death.
They're our most fragile, vulnerable population around the water because of impulsivity, because of a fascination with the water.
They are just so curious that no doesn't always mean no to them.
But Ailene, who co-founded Swim Angelfish, says that's not a reason to keep them out of the water.
These kids are capable of learning to swim if you just understand what problem they're having.
Which is why they hosted their second annual all-inclusive Water Safety Day at the Wilton Y, featuring instructors specifically trained to teach kids with special needs.
I got them the whole time, I promise.
They're really, really good at redirecting and just taking every moment in the lesson and turning it into a learning opportunity.
A lot of the times, that means being extra active and visual with the kids, including establishing some sort of routine for before they even get in the water.
Clap 3 times.
It allows somebody, if they should get away, to get them and grab their hand.
In the water, instructors say it's all about developing familiarity.
Come on, James. Come on, James.
They know what to do if they fall in and need to grab onto something.
Some of these kids, because they are have some sensory issues, they don't even want to reach for a tube. So we want to get them comfortable.
It's kind of reassuring for the parents.
And also for the kids.
This is what it's all about.
When they first came, they didn't even want to get in the water, and now you can't get them out.
I have taken kids that have been petrified to step in the pool to getting gold medals in the Special Olympics. Anything is possible if you understand what the underlying problem is.
Swim Angelfish offers both private and group lessons. We have that information on our website, news12.com, under numbers and links. In Wilton, Greg Thompson, News 12 Connecticut.